June 1st, 2020. This is just a wee video showing my first hand-built stoneware bird bath, fired cone 6. In the center hole, the deep hole, is for a solar-powered fountain that has not yet arrived and hopefully will fit. The tower is a water tower that will help supplement the water from evaporation during the day, all being well. The lid comes off. And there's the hole to help feed. I'm going to turn this over, let you see the bottom side. I don't know if the canvas grain shows up, but that's the bottom side of this hand-built bird bath. All being well, the birds will use it.